How cute is this? Just kind of looks like I've been out on the pontoon all day and now we're headed to the bar to get a margarita. How fun is that? Just total beachy hair. Hi everyone. So tonight I am going to keep the synergy vibe going, and I have another one for you. This one is Beachy Waves. The color is F82488, number 8. That's a lot to say. Or we could just say Sandy Blonde Melt. It's beautiful color. This one is also the same color, Sandy Blonde Melt, in the long and layered from the Synergy collection. All right, so be sure to check out that video. So let's get into it. So right off the bat, she's inside out so we can see her cap. Just your basic front, no bells and whistles, no lace. Open little ear tabs and an extended nape. You can see the permatease. It's almost like a crimping. Can you guys see that? In there. So hopefully we'll be able to work with that. Ooh, you know, I see this color in the light and I'm kind of like, oh, that's pretty. I do that. I was going through my wigs last night and trying to organize them and label them and so forth and take them out of the boxes, and I put on Shannon and I'm like, oh, Shannon's so cute. Maybe I want to start wearing Shannon again. So you do that. You don't wear them for a while and then you put them on and it's cute and it's fun. I like doing that. So I'm going to go ahead and put her on and then we'll see how the Beachy Waves look. Are really lightweight. So I am liking that. That feels comfortable. She's already kind of going to be cute. See, you got to like, I know it's hard. You got to kind of give them a chance. And so she's got permatease all the way down here. So a good amount probably to give you that lift. Boy, I'm like even feeling it like right here. So there's a lot of permatease underneath in her. So if you're not a permatease fan, and I mean, I think the rooting definitely helps to hide it. But again, these fibers are very shiny. It's very soft and silky, which is nice, but it's very shiny. Let's do a quick 360 before I mess with her. She's cute. You know what? It kind of reminds me the color back in the day that we would put sun in our hair and then lay out to get a tan, and you would get highlights in your hair. Horrible, horrible stuff for your hair. But that's what it kind of reminds me of. Looks like you put sun in. So, I mean, maybe for summer these would be nice because it just looks like you've got that beachy, you've been out in the sun, you've been at the beach, and you got some natural highlights. All right, I'm gonna mess her up. All right, I'll give her a spritz with water and get in there and mess up and activate that permatease. Now I'm going to work on combing out the part and getting it in the direction that I want it to go. I prefer a left side part. Spraying with some light brown tinted dry shampoo. Now normally I would let the water dry in between adding the dry shampoo, but for sake of the video I do it all together. Now I'm twisting and kind of ratting up just to get those curls to stay back away from my face. she's cute. And I think that she just reminds me a lot of sort of Deirdre here. And I don't know if you saw, because I probably sped up the video, but I just kind of twist it and then almost rat it, like pull it up. And then that helps to hold that little curl in there, so it keeps it back, just like that. So she's cute. Again, I probably, unless I just go and tell everybody that I wear wigs, I'm not going to wear her to work. I'm going to tell you that now, just because of the color. But I wanted to buy these because I wanted to show you the color comparison. I believe I paid $47.99 for her on the Memorial Day sale. And I believe the long and layered, I think I paid $69. So, I mean, they're very pretty and they're definitely worth the money. And if you like these colors, again, this was the Sandy Blonde Melt, then I think you should consider it if you like permatease. She has a lot of pillowy permatease in here. There's a lot. And I think more so in the curled styles, they just do. But you could still, she's still lightweight, even with the permatease. This all is very lightweight. It's very silky, and I really like it. And I think they're both really cute styles. Like I said, I had Poppy, and she reminds me a lot of Poppy. So for this one, I would probably do some little clips, just because I do kind of sometimes not like things hanging in my eyes. And I don't really have my bio hair pulled out here, and I don't have any more of the root spray. But I would pull out my bio hair, and that's how I make them look natural, right there. And then I blend that and I root spray it. And I usually do a light brown, sometimes a medium brown, depending on what I have on hand. You still have enough. I mean, you could get a little bit of a pony back there. You could definitely do your half uppers. So again, I don't have any more root spray. So my own hair is gray or mousy there, where normally I have it the same color, but I just ran out today. So just pull a few out, and your bio hair if you have it. And she's cute. I think my wig sister Debbie had one of the straighter ones that was this length. Maybe it was the lob, I think they call it, just the long bob, the razored bob. That was really cute. All right, let's kind of look at this in a half up and see what we think. Sun in. Oh, it brings me back, you guys. We'd lay out on the picnic table on the back patio. If we didn't get to the beach, we'd have a fan plugged in, spraying our sun in, or just fresh squeezed lemons sometimes too. Getting our suntan, our copper tone. So this is a really cute style. And I really like the feel of this. And I think a little dry shampoo went a long way for taking that shine out. So this will definitely be one that I will wear this summer. I think it's trendy, I think it's cute, and I think it looks like you got highlights for summer or you've been at the beach. So the Synergy collection, you guys, and if I get any comments, I'll let you know when I wear them. I'm working in a different office this week because the gal there is on vacation. So, and it's with all guys, and usually guys don't notice. I should just wear this. Maybe I'll wear this on Friday and see if they notice, and they'll be like, what happened to your hair? Or they might not say anything. We'll see. All right, so here's a look at Beachy Waves. This is from the Synergy collection of Paula Young. Sandy Blonde Melt outside in the sun. This is west. The sun is setting. It's 8:30. How cute is this? Just kind of looks like I've been out on the pontoon all day and now we're headed to the bar to get a margarita. How fun is that? Just total beachy hair. I want to do a little spin to show you this cute girl in the sunlight. My left side. Back. It has really good movement. And this side, my right side. These are WhisperLites. So these are just super fine fibers, super soft, super lightweight. The density is lightweight, very realistic. Other than the permatease, I feel like this is totally realistic as far as the density. So it's not like you have just as much thickness here as you do down here. It gets a little bit thinner and wispier on the bottom, just like our normal hair, because it's the older hair that's been growing, so it gets a little frayed. So how cute is this, you guys? Like I said, I got her on sale for $47.99, and I believe that was free shipping, or it might have been a flat rate shipping of like $7.99. So adorable. So this is my bio, which you can see is pretty gray, but I feel like it kind of works because of the colors and of the melt. I don't really think that you can tell, and I feel like having a colic makes it look a little bit more natural. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this review. Beachy Waves, the Synergy collection from Paula Young. And I have a whole lot more in store for you guys, so I hope that you'll stay with me. Thanks again for everything, for all of your beautiful, wonderful comments. If you guys have any questions, feel free to send me an email or just put it down in the chat below, and I will try to get on there and answer as quickly as I can. All right, thanks so much. Have a wonderful evening. Thanks again for watching, everyone, and I just wanted to give you a clarification that the style is called Modern Beachy, and I refer to it as Beachy Waves. All right, thanks again, everyone. Have a great day.